Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. Today's video is going to be about cryptocurrency. Uh, and this topic is going to be kind of long, but I wanted to do this video because I think it's worthy of the time. So I'm on the Yahoo Sports.uk website, and it says 5 ways to become a millionaire, starting with as little as $10. And let me tell you what, believe it or not, it's quite possible in 2021 become a millionaire in the next 2 to 3 years. With cryptocurrency growing at a rate of 100 to 200% a year, you could become a millionaire. Now, I didn't say it would be easy, but there's several ways you can become a millionaire through cryptocurrency. I have several friends who have not become millionaires, but thousandaires through cryptocurrency. And there's no secret out there. It all depends how much you're familiar with cryptocurrency. And I've been listening to some of my friends for 4 years now and didn't believe. But boy, when I saw their crypto wallets, I did believe. So in 2021, here it is. Who wants to be a millionaire? And so it says, who wants to be a millionaire? Even if those words don't strike a nostalgic chord, you might be eagerly raising your hand anyway, because of course you want $1 million. And it doesn't have to be hard to start the process again here. If you got $10 in a smartphone in your pocket, you got the tools you need to be on your way to 7 figures. So this is true. There's several ways. I mean, you could avoid Dogecoin, you could avoid Shiba Inu. But more than that, what is more important these days is the ideal of money. What is money? And we do know cryptocurrency is not cryptocurrency. We do know it is a property, but it is an asset that you can barter and trade with other people over the blockchain. So this video is just talking about the several ways that people can make a lot of money on cryptocurrency, so much that, so many people about 2 years ago got caught up into a fraud scheme called Bitcoin Connect fraud. So it was called BitConnect, and there was people who didn't know what Bitcoin was. All they heard was you can make a lot of money really fast. So here it is this week. $56 million was seized by the Department of Justice. And it was helped to, compensate the victims. So it had to happen. There are people who will not do the due diligence. They will not do the research. They will not use Google. There's all kind of tools out there. But if you have someone close to you in your family who's actually making good money in cryptocurrency, you need to listen to them. Because I've got several friends that took a few $1,000s and turned it into hundreds of thousands of dollars. So cryptocurrency is here to stay. It just hasn't been regulated. But we do have, in 2021, we do have platforms to help. There was several platforms before. There was a platform called Binance. It was very popular in 2017. Binance was a popular thing you could do. You could, use Binance and buy these cryptocurrencies. And you could buy them at like $10 a coin, $20 a coin. And those coins today are worth hundreds, in some cases, thousands of dollars. So this week, because people didn't understand the technology, they didn't understand Bitcoin and blockchain, a few years ago, people just jumped into a Bitcoin fraud scheme where it was, I'll just give you my money. You can't just give people your money. You have to understand the asset, the property, the whatever it is you're investing in this case, cryptocurrency. And since actually this event happened, cryptocurrency, one of the main coins, Bitcoin, dropped from a price of about 63,000 down to $57,000. So due to this event, if we look at the last week using Coinbase here, it dropped over 10% due to the events of the DOJ seizing $56 million of cryptocurrency. So don't be scared, don't be worried, because there's still a lot of money. There's the cryptocurrency market cap is over $2 trillion. And so I think everyone should still, check it out. So much that, the mayor of Miami is looking at paying employees in cryptocurrency. So just keep your eye on this cryptocurrency thing, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Kadena. There's just several of them out there. So we're going to go to Coindesk.com, and it says Square releases a white paper detailing protocol for new decentralized Bitcoin exchange. So this is Jack Dorsey. He was at the cryptocurrency conference in Miami, and he's a multi-billionaire. He is the CEO of Square and CEO of Twitter. So I know many of you are familiar with Twitter, but I've been a big fan of that Jack Dorsey for over several years now, since he developed Square. I'm more of a technology guy, but Jack goes on to say that they needed to push this out. The CEO, he's saying to create an open developer platform for decentralized Bitcoin exchange. So this new platform is called TBD, and it's going to be something non-custodial. Well, what they're saying is right now, currently in our financial systems, we don't necessarily own our own money. Most of our money is in a bank, and that bank owns our money and it's controlled by the bank. But what Jack Dorsey wants to do is develop this platform where you can come and exchange your money, and the only person that will know is the blockchain. The blockchain will record every transaction, where it's from, who it's from, and it will be unique. So Jack Dorsey is way ahead of his time. He's looking at splitting this out. Right now, you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. That's under Square, and many may be familiar with that app. But Jack Dorsey is the leader, and he is looking to spread the technology and help a lot of people take possession of their own money. Now, you have other platforms like Coinbase. Very simple. You log in, you create an account, and then you just hit trade. It's very simple. You hit trade. You can put $5. You can put $10. There's no limit. There's no, you have to buy a full Ethereum coin. You can put in $2 if you want. But needless to say, there's no barrier to entry, because this is like the new gold rush. This is like the gold rush of, the San Francisco 49ers. This is when everybody went west years ago in the 1800s, and they were trying to find that gold. So this is the new gold rush cryptocurrency. Which one will take my meager investment and take it to $10,000 or, $100,000? So this is what Coinbase is doing, giving the opportunity. There's a lot of free courses here on Coinbase. You could sign up easily. I have my link below, but I've bought Bitcoin on Coinbase, and I've bought Ethereum on Coinbase as well. And just to show you, I have some Ethereum on other platforms. I have some on Celsius Network. That's another platform you can store your cryptocurrency. And I also, of course, have Coinbase. So needless to say, I'm invested in cryptocurrency. It's not like cryptocurrency is going anywhere, but you have to get started today. And a lot of times people don't understand, every day they do major transactions that in the future can be done by this, what they call blockchain. Again, blockchain records every single transaction, whether you're buying Bitcoin or you're buying Ethereum, and whichever platform you're buying, it is still being recorded on the blockchain. And what that means is this blockchain is like a digital ledger, so that everyone can see that that unique Bitcoin or that unique Ethereum has been bought or sold by a particular person. It's all recorded, and there's no middleman person. All it is the blockchain. So you don't need a person like we currently have and a centralized, Fed to regulate your money. It's not a closed-in system. This is why Jack Dorsey is promoting this new platform. He's saying, I don't want your money. I don't want your ideal money. I want you to be able to exchange digital assets freely. This is what the white paper is all about. It's called the TBD division. We know Jack Dorsey is a billionaire, but he's a generous billionaire. And that's what is making all the difference. He's saying, look, guys, I've got billions of dollars and I want to get this cryptocurrency out there. So, he's putting the protocols in place. He's putting it in the hands of the developers. And this will be a new way that people will exchange currency. Okay, one of the TBD developers wrote, the TBDEX protocol aims to create ubiquitous, accessible on-ramp and off-ramps that will allow the average individual to benefit from the crypto innovation. So that is awesome. Jack Dorsey is fighting for the democratization of financial freedom. He's providing the tools. He's providing the ecosystem. I mean, right now you can use Cash App to buy cryptocurrency and it's free. There's no charge on the Cash App platform. So check out this article. This is from CoinDesk. Don't get feared by these articles where DOJ seizes $56 million of cryptocurrency. Hey, there's always going to be scams out there. So let's move on. Let's talk about where cryptocurrency has been over the last year. So if we go to Coinbase, you'll see that Bitcoin has gone up over 200%. So that means if you put in $200 right now at the beginning of 2021, you'd have over $400. And also, consequently, with Ethereum, if you put $200 at the beginning, January of 2021, you would have over $1,400. Just $200 would have turned into $1,400. So this is awesome. This is the power of the cryptocurrency. And, people are just using the new tools that are out there. Coinbase is one of them. So if you want to, get started in cryptocurrency today, check out Coinbase. And don't worry about these articles. Again, Department of Justice seizes 56 million. There's nothing wrong with you owning your own money, your own property, your own digital currency. This is what Coinbase and Jack Dorsey are intending to do. Help you, help yourself. And what we call is decentralized. This is where we're headed. Okay, so my second half of the video today, I wanted to talk about what we call the underground. These are high risk cryptocurrency. This is one they call blockchain, StrongBlock, and you can actually own the nodes that produce the cryptocurrency. So every day there's basically a little, machine, and it's grinding every minute of the day, producing more cryptocurrency coins. And so this is the tool, the blockchain node, which you can buy on StrongBlock.com. Now, mind you, in order to buy a node, it costs several thousands of dollars. Now, mind you, you get 10% back every day, but a node costs several thousands of dollars. So, to buy a node and get really into crypto, into this is what I call the underground. You need to put in at least $10,000. So I won't get into, the exact way to buy a node, but you have the instructions a little bit here on StrongBlock.com. Again, you would also need to connect a MetaMask wallet or a wallet connect. And there'll be several steps, but again, this is a way you can make 10% on your money every day. This is StrongBlock, where you can buy a node for about $10,000, and every day you make about 10% on that $10,000, which would equate to roughly $100 a day. And they even record here. This is on StrongBlock right here, and you can see people created a node today on November 20th. This is their unique name. And then they get paid 10% a day. So yeah, see, Tom, Nifty Node, Musaya, Midas, all these people bought nodes today on November 20th. And they're looking at this 0.10 back every day. Now, again, this 0.10 is paid back on the MetaMask wallet. You'd need a MetaMask wallet in order to, get paid on the node block, on the StrongBlock node. But you can easily download it, download the wallet, store your cryptocurrency. You would need Ethereum. You need about, give or take, $10 or $12,000 in Ethereum, and there will be gas fees. When in the crypto world, we call gas fees are basically transaction fees. And as you're moving the money from, whether you're moving from Coinbase to MetaMask wallet or from MetaMask to StrongBlock, it's going to cost you some fees. But you can see that every day people are buying nodes. Again, one node is about $10,000, but you're getting paid 10% every day on that node. So this is StrongBlock. Again, this is the underground portion of cryptocurrency. This is why people are so excited. Okay, so another cryptocurrency people are buying underground is Hector. Hector's website says, let's build wealth, become, a millionaire. Do you have diamond hands to hodl? When would you have smart hands to stake? When they say staking, they mean they're going to pay you interest per day on whatever cryptocurrency they host on the platform. So what is Hector? Hector is a decentralized protocol based on the Hector coin, collateralized and backed by Hector Dao. Hec will be the reserve currency of fandom. In order to maintain price stability, Hector will use an algorithmic reserve currency and will also be supported by other decentralized assets. Again, this goes back to what Jack Dorsey was talking about. If you want to get into the whole underground cryptocurrency, he wants you to have control of your money, not a centralized government like we have it now, but the digital world will be controlled by these blockchains. These blockchains will process everything. Your money, if you need to send it to New York, it'll be there in an instant. You won't have to go through Western Union or MoneyGram or any of these current legacy programs. So shows you here on this website, Hector Dao. If you want more information on how it works and the growth, Hector is paying like 9,000%. 9,000% a year. So check out Hector Dao coin. Again, this is another decentralized platform. This is what I call the underground, very high risk. But if you have a few $100s to put to the side or to discretionary to waste, Hector Dao may be the move for you. The next underground cryptocurrency is called the decentralized reserve. It's called Olympus. Olympus Pro is again building a community-owned based decentralized financial infrastructure to bring more stability and transparency to the blockchain. So again, this is showing you, okay, here's the current balance of stuff they've traded, and this is how much is locked up, and then it's earning interest of 7,000%. Now this is annually now. Now, when have you ever heard a bank giving you 7,000%? Well, you've never heard that, and it'll never happen in this lifetime. The banks won't do that. But if we go decentralized, that means the only intermediary between you and your money, your person that you're buying something from, will be the blockchain. This is why these decentralized platforms are popping up everywhere. Introducing Olympus Pro will bring you the protocol on to liquidity to a DAO near you. Learn about Olympus Pro, our bonds as a service protocol. So this is just showing you how the ways the token is working, the OWN token, and how it's sustainable. 7,000% APY. Investment protection, the higher the APY, OHM is meant to eventually distributed for staking rewards. Basically, the money is put on the platform, and the longer you hold it on the platform, they will pay you to leave it on the platform. It says OHM Olympics is designed to grow in value. As you can see, back in August, it was worth 5 million, and today it's worth way over 154 million. So this is how Olympus decentralized platform is making a difference. If you want to learn more about it, check out olympusdalefinance.com. So this goes back to what we said, 5 ways to become a millionaire, starting with as little as $10. Of course, to get on these platforms, it's not just going to cost you $10. It's going to cost you a little bit way more than $10, but $100 can grow a long way when it's going 7,000%. So that is Olympus. I think I covered 3 cryptocurrencies today: Hector, StrongBlock, and time on the Olympus platform. And the last one I want to cover is Kadena. Kadena also will help you turn a few $100s into thousands of dollars as well. But here's what it says. Kadena blockchain works for everyone. Our ecosystem provides the security of Bitcoin, virtually free gas fees, unparalleled throughput, and smart contracts. So where are they talking about free gas fees? This is meaning, again, they're not charging transactional fees. Now, the people that I know that are in this have been in cryptocurrency for over 5 years. This is people who traded their, couple $100,000, and they were actually just exploring, and they put it into the Kadena. Now, Kadena is, again, no cost transactions, safe smart contracts, energy efficient at scale, proven security, industrial scalability, and unlike other platforms, Kadena is designed to power global financial systems. Our protocol continually scales to higher transactions per second. Now, this is the problem with Ethereum. Ethereum is the #1 coin. It is faster than Bitcoin, and it's loaded up, because since everybody knows about Ethereum, everybody's going into Ethereum and building on top of Ethereum. Well, there's a few more blockchains that are coming out there. There's a few projects. This is Kadena. Again, Kadena is supposed to be faster and less transaction fees. And it says proven security. Our founders' experience at JP Morgan revealed the limitation of existing blockchain solutions, just like I mentioned, Ethereum, to solve for the security and the throughput demands of financial services. And Kadena runs on a proof of work, which is reliable and secure and battle hardened tested. Okay, so this is Kadena. The Kadena project is working. Here are some coin partners: Cosmos, Celio, Flux, Polkadot, Terra, and Cellcore. The complete package. Check out the DeFi and decentralized network of Kadena. Also, I have one friend who is in the Kadena, and he bought the Kadena coin when it was $3 or $4. So here's my friend Kevin. Kevin says here, KDA was 12 cents less than a year ago, and all today high was $25. This is Harry Potter money. He's laughing, and it's all of a sudden real. So this is Kadena. Kadena, like I said, last year he bought it at 12 cents. And today he has over $23 for that 12 cents. So, thousands and thousands of percent, all because he studied about cryptocurrency 5 years ago. He got into it. He sold much of his stocks. He invested, and now he's being rewarded just a few years later. So yes, just like this article says, there is several ways to become a millionaire, and it doesn't take money. What it takes is knowledge in the application of your current dollar. You need to learn how to put it into either Coinbase or one of these other cryptocurrency projects. And again, it will take years. We won't know the extent of all this wealth being created through cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or through strong nodes or blockchains or Hector or Time. There are several cryptocurrency projects out there right now helping to bring the masses to cryptocurrency. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like or share. And if you want some free Bitcoin, please use my Coinbase from below. Have a great day. Cryptocurrency. Also, if you're not familiar with some of the YouTubers out there, one of my favorite that does cryptocurrency is Stop Struggling Now. I'm often featured on the show. This is Eric Bird. He talks a lot about cryptocurrency. As we go into the show, we talk about it, but let's see. So here it is. He's talking about a cryptocurrency here called Wonderland. This is a cryptocurrency currently growing at 91,000% annually. Now, this is a secret of cryptocurrency, that this is what I would call the underground cryptocurrency. This is where you can put in a few bucks, maybe $100, maybe $20, and within a few weeks or few months, your money can be multiplied 9 times your initial amount. So just be wary out there that this Coinbase is just scratching the surface of cryptocurrency. This is just like basic Crypto 101. If you really want to get deep into cryptocurrency, check out my man Eric Bird on Stop Struggling Now. We had a live last night. I was featured on it. Pretty much, we talked about cryptocurrency, and several of the Stop Struggling Now members are very successful in cryptocurrency. There's another one called Dao or Olympus, and pretty much, again, you can literally take a few $1,000s and turn it into tens of thousands of dollars. So this is what I call the underground cryptocurrency. Yes, it does take time to understand what cryptocurrency is and what each coin does and how it functions in these different blockchains and different wallets. But you can make 10 times your money on some of these cryptocurrencies. Again, I would call them high risk. But if you have money sitting to the side and you don't have them for any reason, I mean, a few $100, maybe a few thousands, it could be worth your time to learn some of these cryptocurrencies. Again, we're talking about thousands and thousands of API return. And again, it's very simple to load up a few funds, but at the same time, it takes a little bit of a learning curve. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and the deep underground, where you can earn 91% on 91,000% on your money, check out Stop Struggling Now. So this was just my cryptocurrency update. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.